Alright, so I've done a couple runs, dropped off some plants, and I just wanted to do a quick video because this is like truly the beginning now of starting this new garden. I've got my peppers here along with some of my favorite vines. One being the passion flower vine. I've got some of these that I'm going to be planting throughout the garden. My peppers, blueberries, some wisteria vines, and some honeysuckle vines. I'm going to be planting these throughout the garden, but this is where it starts. I'm going to do a quick look up here. I figured out where I'm going to put the first greenhouse. It's going to be right up here. The one that I have in the garden right now will be moved up here. I'm going to level this out, and when we get our property line, it's going to be butted up here, and it'll, check it out, it'll just overlook the whole garden, which is just a bunch of dirt right now. But I just wanted to do a quick video of the first arrival of plants and get a good look, because it's going to take a while, a couple years to really get it to start shaping.